Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and unique cake, and this is called cookies and cream cake. You can also call it Oreo and cream cake, and this tastes so good. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन रो लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So to start with the recipe, in a bowl add half cup plus 2 tablespoon milk, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1/4 cup oil and 3/4 cup powdered sugar and mix till everything is well combined. Then place a sieve and sift together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon baking soda. Now mix everything well till combined. Then crush and add 8 to 10 Oreo biscuits. Mix with the batter. Now transfer the batter into a cake mold lined with butter paper. I am using a 6-inch cake mold here. Tap a little to remove the air bubbles and bake at 180 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Allow it to cool down after that. To prepare buttercream frosting, in a bowl take 200 grams of softened butter. Beat the butter till it's pale in color. Don't forget to scrape the sides in between and then beat. Our butter has turned to creamy white in color. In this phase, add the cream of 7 to 8 Oreo biscuits and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat for a minute. Sift and gradually add 2/3 cup of powdered sugar. Don't add all of them at once. Keep adding 2 tablespoons and beat to combine. Do not forget to scrape the sides. Sifting everything makes the buttercream super smooth. Now sift and add Oreo powder. Blend the ones we took out the cream from. Mix well with the spatula. Our buttercream is ready. Our cake has also cooled down. Demold the cake from the mold. Remove butter paper and flip it. Cut it horizontally in 2 parts using serrated knife. You can also cut it in 3 parts, or you can directly put buttercream on top. Apply buttercream frosting on the bottom part first. Flip and place the top part. This makes the top of the cake super smooth and flat. Now apply the frosting on top and sides. Make it as clean as possible. Now pipe the frosting on the side borders like so. Make small swirls on top like so. Make sure there are gaps in between the swirls and place half Oreos between the swirls. You can decorate the cake as you want. I have decorated it like so, and our delicious cookies and cream cake is ready. The taste of this is super unique and delicious, and the cake is so soft and moist. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.